Here's the big challenge of life. You can have more than you've got because you can become more than you are. That's the challenge. And of course, the other side of the coin reads, unless you change how you are, you'll always have what you got. I have found in my experience that income does not far exceed personal development. Now, sometimes income takes a lucky jump, but sure enough, unless you grow out where it is, it'll usually come back where you are. Life has strange ways. If somebody hands you $1 million, best you become a millionaire quickly, so you get to keep the money. Otherwise, sure enough, it'll disappear. Somebody once said, if you took all the money in the world, divided it up equally among everybody, it would soon all be back in the same pockets. Success is something you attract, not something you pursue.
What do you think of this quote? Do you agree with it? Do you think it applies to you in your life? Imagine you're a cashier at Walmart. The job's not your favorite and your life seems empty. It feels like you're just repeating the same day and over with no chance of change. You believe you're lacking in experience, credentials, or even aspirations. You feel like you're stuck in a rut and you have no prospects for the future. You have no skills, no qualifications, and no ambitions. You think you're worthless. One day, you hear this quote from Jim Rohn and it strikes a chord in you. You realize that you have to change yourself. You comprehend that new skills, qualifications, and aspirations must become a priority. It dawns on you, boosting self-insurance, sparking motivation, and seeking joy are essential. You understand that appreciating your worth is necessary. You decide to take action. You enroll in an online course on web development and learn how to create websites and apps. You spend your free time studying and practicing, and you build your own portfolio. You also join an online community of web developers to network with them. You learn new skills that are in demand and valuable. You are motivated to do more, and so you apply for a scholarship to a prestigious online university and get accepted. After you secured your web development, you pursue a degree in computer science and you excel in your studies. You also participate in various projects, competitions, and internships. You get new qualifications that are recognized and respected by employers, clients, and peers. You're feeling great. You think you have found your obsession, so you start your own online business and you create your own brand. You offer your web development services to various clients and you deliver high-quality work. You also create your own products, such as apps, games, and courses. You reach your own audience. You pursue new ambitions that are challenging and rewarding for you. Subsequently, you quit your job as a cashier and become a successful online entrepreneur. You increase your income from a few $100s a month to a few $1,000s a week. You change your lifestyle from a poor and miserable one to a rich and fulfilling one. You have more than you had because you became more than you were. This is not a fairy tale. This is a true story, and his name was Tom. He did it, and so can you. Tom was a living example of Jim Rohn's quote. Now let me show you how you can follow Tom's steps and improve yourself and your income. I show you the resources and tools that you can use to make the same life-changing as Tom. To acquire skills, you can explore platforms like Udemy, Coursera, and Skillshare. These platforms offer a range of courses across subjects and fields. Additionally, you can utilize resources like YouTube, podcasts, and blogs to access content on skills and topics without any cost. Engaging with communities such as Reddit, Quora, and Stack Overflow is also beneficial as they provide opportunities to connect with learners and industry experts. When it comes to obtaining qualifications, online institutions like edX, Udacity, and Khan Academy offer programs and degrees in various disciplines at different levels. Moreover, known platforms such as LinkedIn, Upwork, and Fiverr enable you to showcase your qualifications and achievements to employers or clients. To actively enhance your abilities in areas or domains, I suggest checking out platforms like HackerRank, CodeChef, and Kaggle, where you can engage in projects, competitions, or internships related to skills. If you have aspirations for starting something or pursuing ambitions, online business creation tools like Shopify, WordPress, and Wix make it easier than ever for anyone to establish their own brand on the internet. Alternatively, you can leverage platforms including Google Play, App Store, and Steam to develop and distribute your products such as apps or games. Don't forget the power of media platforms like YouTube, Instagram, and TikTok, which allow you to create and share your unique content. You can find the links to the websites on my description below. Just click on them and you'll get there. There are many resources and tools that can help improve your personal growth and income. I suggest these options. They are crucial for sustainable success. I hope you enjoyed this video and learned something new. Before I go, I want to share one more quote from Jim Rohn that will inspire you to take action and change your financial situation.
We all have a choice. Make a living or design a life.
Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.